I want y'all to see this. And the landlord doesn't do anything about this. You see how this water comes out black? That's why I don't use this water to cook anything. Look at this. So y'all don't think I'm lying. It's clearing up now a little bit. But it comes out pure black. And this is my baby's bottle. Y'all see this? See, and I don't live anywhere where I can just complain because I don't have the best credit in the world. You know, I have something on my background, even though I didn't do it, but I still have something on my background. So I can't just move anywhere. I have to move where I can move. And this type of landlord, he's the type, oh, well, if you don't like it, move. If I showed y'all the conditions that I'm living in, you would be like, wow. Mold, all that. This water is disgusting. I would never, ever use this water. I use bottled water, purified water to boil and cook with. It's just horrible, and there's nothing I can do about it. I don't know.